Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up a password for your Excel workbook if you want to protect the data and from people from opening it that should not be. I'm going to show you guys how to set a password. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So go ahead and open up the Excel workbook in question and then go up to the File tab up in the top left corner. Select the Info option on the left panel here. And on the right side where it says Protect Workbook, control what types of changes people can make to this workbook. Select the Protect Workbook button. And you want to select where it says Encrypt with Password. Require a password to open this workbook. So at this point, go ahead and insert the password. Caution, if you lose or forget this password, it cannot be recovered. It is advisable to keep a list of passwords and their corresponding document names in a safe place. Remember that passwords are case sensitive. Select OK, and then you have to re-enter the password to confirm it, and select OK. So let's say I went ahead and closed out of here. I think I have a few extra workbooks open here. So that is now on our desktop. So I open it up. It's going to prompt us for a password. Let's go ahead and type in that password here and select OK. And that's about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.